Alright, so I just finished uploading the full Gremlins lecture sequence or whatever to archive.org. There are actually 5 parts in total, not including the introduction. The first part goes over the psychological aspects of the film, pretty much. And then the syncy stuff begins with part 2 and continues through and then concludes in part 4. So, there are links to all of the parts below. Actually, one last thing I forgot to mention is that I've been having some trouble with archive.org's streaming player. The problem is that YouTube is really optimized for streaming, right? So it's got fancy secret sauce algorithms that make for really high quality video at fairly low bit rates. With archive.org, I kind of have to encode it myself for delivery. And so I was experimenting, trying to figure out what's the optimal quality setting where it'll stream without constantly buffering, which is terrible. But without having it become so low quality that it's unwatchable. And actually, you have to make it pretty low quality to get it playing back properly on archive.org. So these are not exactly the best looking. There's a lot of macro blocking and things like that. Not that it matters so much for this kind of thing, but just as from one media file to another, there's definitely some image quality problems here. Thankfully, archive.org allows you to just kind of upload arbitrary files into the archive. So I think I am going to go ahead and put up closest to lossless version of this stuff I have. And then that'll just be available if anybody, for some reason, wants this in super high quality. But my upload speeds here are really pretty trash. So it's probably going to take... There's probably going to be a lag. I'm going to prioritize just getting up the streaming version, and then at some point, there'll be high-quality versions available there in that sidebar. That's it, I guess, for that. Anyway, thanks again. Bye.